The Chinese water dragon lizard is by far the friendliest. Hey, how's it going? Hey, what's happening over there? Huh? What? Were you... He just wants to make as many friends as possible. Hey there! Hi there! Over here! Hi! Yeah, hello! The fact that a cat will almost always land on its feet is exactly what makes them the animal kingdom's perfect ballerina. Oh, come on, lady. If you wanted a poodle, you should have just got a poodle. Why make the cat suffer? Look at him. Look at him hiding his head in shame. Don't worry, buddy. It'll grow back.
Here, let me take you.
And they're getting closer and closer.
Come over here. Hurry, hurry, hurry. You don't got no horse.
You and your family will get to experience the survival of the fittest firsthand, as you witness the meek giving way to animals that are a little more dominant. Take the kids, they said. They'll love it, they said. They forgot to mention the creepy camel having no concept of personal space. The kids definitely did not love it.
You better take the whole bed.
Ostriches like to take souvenirs.
Oh, your dad likes it.
Did he get married?
Back at his nest, he has over 300 stuffed animals. I kid you not.
He's fine. He's fine.
He likes it.
Little Jerry found the perfect way to enjoy the drive-through safari. From the floorboard. He does not seem to be having a good time.
Brayden, he's nice. Look, watch, he's nice.
Paige, are you going to feed that big buffalo there?
The whole driving through a safari and feeding animals from your car window, it looks good on paper.
Buffalo, come and get your carrot.
But in all honesty, only the animals seem to be having any fun.
Okay, Buffalo, get out of the car.
Hang on. We're fixing to fall back asleep. Oh, it's so tiring.
That was number 10. The back roads. For when you have no particular place to be and all day to get there. Which is good, because when you take Old Bison Valley Parkway, it might just take you all day to get there.
But yeah, you're gonna travel at my pace. That's a power trip.
Maybe 2 days.
We're gonna
Confused why no one ever came to visit. He didn't have any friends, girls wouldn't go out with him, and nobody would sit next to him on the bus. But when you and your mother share a home with over 24 skunks, you tend to give up a lot of socializing. On the upside, they can give directions to their house by smell.
My name's Lila, and my favorite animal. I don't mind getting cooked.
What about now? earlier reports, it turns out that there is no evidence that dachshund saliva stimulates hair growth in sufferers of male pattern baldness. All it does is make your head smell like dog spit. We apologize for any harm this may have caused. But what happens after that is entirely up to the horse. He's rounding third, headed for home. Looks like he's gonna slide. And he's safe! The adage is when you fall off a horse, you have to get right back on. Of course, in order to do that, you have to be able to get on in the first place.
All right.
On a horse, he was amazing. Off the horse, not so amazing.
I got that on video. What you doing, Duke?
Duke always wanted a horse jacuzzi, an equine whirlpool bath, and he figured out just how to do it.
Look at you! Oh my goodness, Duke! Duke, what you doing, buddy? Don't lay down. There you go. Oh, Duke!
Of course he was going to lay down. It's a horse jacuzzi.
Oh my goodness! So much for clean water, huh?
Horses can be quite affectionate with their owners. Hey, mister, you behave. Looks like someone just got a buttermilk bath, a mane detangling, and oh no, not the mud. If you are ever in the market for a horse, buy a black one. They're a lot less frustrating. Everyone always talks about puppy love. Time in the OK Corral. You can take the bear out of the circus, but you can't take the circus out of the bear. Why do we even bother calling them bird feeders anyway? No matter where we hang them, they will still eventually, somehow, become a squirrel feeder. We know it's a football, but right now this squirrel thinks he has found the holy grail of nuts. Now, if he can just get it up the tree. Let's not tell him. He'll be disappointed soon enough, but right now, let the little guy have the fantasy. On the next episode of The Squirrel Hunter. Armed with only a clothes hamper, our pajama-clad hero makes his move.
Did you get him? Oh my God.
And releases the squirrel unharmed. He's a good man, that squirrel hunter.
Oh, forget the video.
While all squirrels are known for their patriotism, the squirrels of Italy demonstrate pride in their country on a daily basis. Every evening, as the sun sets, squirrels all over Lo Stivale honor their country by bringing in the flag so it'll fly another day. Viva Italia! The greased pole is not only an effective tool for keeping the furry-tailed ones from getting into your bird feeder, it's also fun to watch. Look, a fireman. Or a stripper. The lid was supposed to keep him out. All it did was let him eat all the birdseed in the shade.
A classy squirrel having his lollipop in the morning.
Nuts are divine and seed is just dandy, but for the happiest squirrel, it's all about candy.
He's enjoying his lollipop. Yummy, I can't wait till I get to the bubblegum center.
They eat the birdseed. They rule the yard. But once they start driving, they might just take over the world. Lumbering, fierce, and plotting, bears can sometimes surprise you by being unbelievably acrobatic. Especially when there's a bird feeder on the line. He has his eye on the prize. He's up, and he has it! To the victor goes the spoils. Parents are just as protective of their children as human parents. When Papa Gorilla gets tired of people staring at his baby, he lets them know it. Hey kids, what do you say we go check out the hummingbirds? They know what time it is. Time to strap on the old feed bag and enjoy some of Mommy's good old-fashioned gruel. Hey, that's not fair. There won't be any left by the time the last one gets out. Although, maybe there will be. It really doesn't look all that good. Was giving Junior a banana really the best snack choice when you're in a house full of capuchin monkeys? Turns out it's true. Australian shepherds tend to eat clockwise. Above the equator, dogs eat counterclockwise. Or is it the other way around? After a long day of stealing picnic baskets and scaring campers and hikers nearly to death, it's good to kick back and enjoy a little quality time with the cubs. And that was number 3. Puff and Marla are inseparable. You never see one without the other, especially on makeover day. Puff's giving Marla a brand new hairdo and they're both looking fabulous! At work, she never gets a high five, so she loves coming home to this.
Hey, go. Good girl. This side? Good girl. Here you go.
Another thing she would never do at work, but sometimes thought about, was going up to her jerk boss and...
Bam. Oh, you're dead, kitty. You're completely dead, huh?
A girl can dream, can't she?
Bam. Bam.
She hated cleaning the cat's dish, so she came up with this unique way to give them milk. It may be gross, but at least her dishwasher is empty, just like her social calendar. Behold, it's cat yoga! And we do cat descending to earth. We turn to left, cat ascending to sun. Just don't do downward facing dog. Cats hate that. Oh, come on, lady. If you wanted a poodle, you should have just got a poodle. Why make the cat suffer? Look at him. Look at him hiding his head in shame. Don't worry, buddy. It'll grow back.
She's so embarrassed. She's putting her head under it. Bam. Oh.
A cat on her head. Ah! What the heck is that? The perfect match.
Mom, can he be our pet squirrel? How? If we tame him.
You're gonna put him.
Come on.
I think Mom's gonna need some convincing.
You gonna put him in a cage?
Yeah, but he will bite on the wires.
I don't know, honey.
Come on. I'm not gonna kill him. I'm gonna let him go.
Not sure how the squirrel feels about this potential arrangement.
Mom, does he have rabies?
Well, that took a turn.
Oh, I don't want to die!
You don't die from rabies.
Alas, the boy and the squirrel were not meant to be.